In today's video, we're going to be putting some aluminum shock caps in place of the plastic ones on this Redcat Kaiju EXT to help improve the durability. So welcome everyone, my name is Troy, this is Roadside RC. What you'll typically find on this channel is bashing and crawling and drifting and racing and some product review videos and how-tos, and today exactly that. So the Redcat Kaiju, this is the brand new EXT. It comes with, out of the box, some really nice shocks actually. Pretty happy with these shocks, but they are a plastic cap up there, and I have heard some issues from the original Kaiju. Had some issues where people have talked about breaking these up here on this corner, sometimes actually pulling them off. The easy way to fix that is straight from Redcat, RER 13322. It is, for each bag is a pair of shock caps, aluminum shock caps that screw right on in place of these factory ones. You need two packages of them, one for the front, one for the rear, and it'll noticeably improve the durability of these front shocks. I'm going to show you today how to put these on, and anything that I notice and special tips or tricks along the way. Alright, now what you're going to want to look for here, shock fluid is very full. It's looking great, very happy with that out of the box. When you go to put your little rubber diaphragm back in and gasket, you're going to want to slide it in to try to make sure that you're not trapping any air into that shock system. And then when you screw your new cap on, go. New cap goes straight on. You're going to want to make sure it's nice and tight. There is such a thing as too tight, although I'll be honest, the factory cap came off very, very hard. There you go. You're going to feel it tighten up right there. And then you're simply going to put it right back on. Now while I'm here, one of the things I was going to do is I was also going to move my shock in one hole compared to the factory setting. That was going to help lower my truck and hopefully give it a little bit better handling all at the same time. But if you'll notice, the shock doesn't want to go over, and that's actually because the shock guards that they have down here are designed in such a way that with full droop, like it is now, at all the way down full droop, it actually interferes here. So if I can get it to go there, if I raise the tire up and compress it a little bit, I can get it to go to that hole. But that means that in the event of an accident, I'm going to put a lot of force on the end of this shock and on this shock rod end. Not what I want to do. I do not want to break it. So I'm going to use my handy dandy Tack Life rotary tool. I'm going to come in here and open this up down here on this shock guard, so that way I eliminate that interference. Now you can see that difference moved out that material, and the shock will lean all the way over without any kind of issue, without any kind of binding. That's what I like to see right there. Just like that, new shock caps on, looking great. Shocks also relocated a little bit in order to help with the handling of the truck. The rears are going to be exactly the same, so I'm not going to show you that today. We're going to skip past that. But this simple, cheap upgrade plus some modifications here, really a step better for this Redcat Kaiju. I'm going to get working on some other stuff. I still have some other things planned for this truck. Please stay tuned. Future videos, more stuff coming. In the meantime, please come over here, check out some other videos that I've already made, and we will see you in the next one. So thank you and goodbye.